game when we were all trying to know the rules of the game, right? How to play. Everything was Greek and Latin to us in the beginning. So suddenly seeing such a big salary, as you rightly said, as a pilot I was always in the air, looking down upon things and people. Right? So there were advisors, sorry, don't go for it, relax. There were many advisors which said, no, what's the harm here? You want to earn in future, right? There will be cash flow coming. So it was very difficult to decide in the beginning at the first go when you are the first one there, right?
Yeah.
So you take a decision out of your gut. Okay? Some people felt offended. अरे मैंने उसको बोला तभी भी लिया इसने. Some people said पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है. Right? So various reactions and your perception about those reactions. Did I do it right or wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, that took at least 2-3 turns to understand where you are. That's one. Second, in terms of learning, I think end of the day, I was within the rat race.
Okay.
Right? In the table. But what I realized is, what went wrong? At times your numbers didn't tally. Right? So, many a time in your fast pace, like there is pressure in life also. You jaldi khel, jaldi khel. In that jaldi khel, sometimes you forget your The jaldi khel pressure makes you miss out on key activities like recording your transactions, right?
Nice.
Having your data right to take decisions. Sometimes we see an opportunity, get the message, somebody points out, Ari, what are you doing? When someone said you can knock off your liabilities, seeing if you have cash reserve. So then they realize, oh yeah, this credit card payment is there hardly anything, but monthly outgo is very high. So might as well knock it out. So I'm saying certain things are applicable even in our day-to-day life. So not only one, there are many learnings. I think I don't want to take more time in that. There are people who can share much more than that. But yes, it was quite insightful, and thanks to you all for that.